I made this amount right here in today's revenue with CPAGrip or CPA marketing, and I'm going to show you one of the strategies I actually did utilize to make such amount right here. I made such amount just by leveraging a very cool and amazing platform called the MicroWorkers right here, and I'm going to walk you through how you can actually do just that. And I'm also going to show you the paid and free strategy which you can actually use to promote your offers using this particular platform. So do stick on, watch this video to the end, learn this strategy and use this to make money online. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing and how to make money online. You can see that there are a lot of videos right here that you can actually do go on to watching that will help you go on to boosting your income. You could also go onto my channel, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I release some cool videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. And with that being said, no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. And the first thing which you want to do right here is to get an account created on the CPA marketing platform like the CPAGrip.com right here. So if you head on to this domain CPAGrip.com, you could just simply come right here because you'll be able to see a register icon. If you don't have an account, click on that register icon, provide your basic details right there which you'll be asked of, agree to the terms of service and get your account created. Once your account has been created, you can go on to log in into your account. And guys, once you do log into your account right here, to get to this page which you can actually do see right now, come right here to this section, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, a drop down list will be shown to you. Select that and you want to just be brought to this page right here. And once you're on this page, you could just simply go into filtering your offer to top tier countries like countries from the United States, Canada, United Kingdom and other top tier countries that are actually out there that you can get lots of traffic to your CPA marketing offers from. So once you actually do that right there, get such cool offers, you can actually see some cool offers right now. This is a very cool and amazing one that is actually for a giveaway of $10,000 right now. And that, guys, you can see that this is an Apple iOS offer and also an email and zip submit offer having a payout of $2.22, and here is your link to promoting this offer. So this is a quite cool offer right now because of this particular card giveaway or giveaway right here is going to attract a lot of individuals right now. So what you want to do is to copy the link to this page right here, and you want to just simply go on to creating a landing page. Maybe you could use the Google site or any landing page builder site out there. You could also utilize platforms like bio.link, Linktree and other platforms out there to create a simple landing page. And I have some cool videos that could help you go on to creating a landing page if you want to learn that. You also want to head onto my channel, and if you're on my channel right here, you don't want to click on this search icon. Instead, go on to clicking on this search icon which you can see right now. So if you do click on this search icon, just simply type in landing page, and if you do type in landing page and click on enter, guys, it's going to take you to some of my videos I created for you that could help you go on to creating simple landing pages. You can see right here, this one is a tutorial video on the Google site that we're going to show you how you could create and promote multiple CPA marketing offers with a landing page. This one right here is for the systemy.io. This is also for the Google site. This is for the Webflow, and if you do keep on scrolling through, you will find out that this is for the breezy.cloud, and you can actually find out other videos that could go on to helping you right here on my channel. So utilize such videos right now and actually go on to creating a simple and professional landing page right here that can actually help you get lot of better conversions to your CPA marketing offers. So once you do that right, guys, copy the link to your landing page and actually head on to this platform called the MicroWorkers.com. This is actually an amazing platform you want to take advantage of. As you can see right here, you could work and earn or offer a job in this on this particular platform right here. This is quite cool right now, as you can just simply come right here, click on register, of which you'll be brought to this page right now where you want to just simply provide your basic details like your first name, middle name, last name, but the middle name is optional right now. You could also go on to fill in out other sections like the gender, company, and those are actually optional, but the date, I guess that is also optional right now. You also want to fill out your email address, fill out the password right there, and actually fill out other sections in this particular page right now. So once you fill them out, guys, you want to just simply go on to the next stage, which is to verify your email address. And guys, if you verify your email address, you can just simply go on to activating your account for absolutely free. Analyzing this platform on the similar web right here, you can see right here that from the month of August to October, it got about 2 million visits right here, and most of its visits comes from countries like Bangladesh right now. So these are actually the top ranking countries that visit that particular website. If you scroll down more, you can see right here top countries right here are actually India, United States, Bangladesh, Algeria and Pakistan, and that is why quite reasonable that you go on to promoting one of these offers or offers from one of these countries right here. That's why I'm actually promoting the United States. Once you do select that right now, you want to just simply head onto that platform. After logging into your account, you should be brought to a page that will look similar to this. You want to come right here and click on create TTV campaign. But before you do that, guys, if you want to just simply go on to promoting your offers on this platform for absolutely free, you'll be able to see a lot of campaigns right now, or a lot of offers which you can actually go on to doing yourself and earning some cool cash right here. You can see this offer right here is just for you to download and install, sign up, and also upload a video right there for this particular offer, and you're actually going to earn $8.50 for this offer. If you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot of cool offers you can actually go on to doing and earning some cool cash right here on this platform. Once you do complete those offers right here, you're actually generating funds which you can use to go on to promoting your own offer among this right here, so for your offer to be listed among this and for people to go on to completing that. So basically what you want to do right now after completing some offers and raising some funds is to go on to clicking on create my TTV campaign. But if you actually do have some funds, you can actually do go on to funding your account yourself by actually heading on to this particular account section or deposit section and actually going to depositing some cool cash. So once you do that right here, come on to clicking on create TTV campaign. If you do click on create TTV campaign, you should be brought to a page where you just want to select the start a new basic campaign right now. You want to select the location to which you want to drive traffic to. I'm going to select the United States and the Western right here. Select the United States right here. You want to select the category of the offer, select the email and submit offer right here, because that's the offer we're actually utilizing. You want to just simply come right here and select a template, and I'm actually going to go on to selecting kind of like a survey template right here, and this is actually a survey template. You want to select that, select the amount of time this it will take individuals to finish this particular task right here. I'm going to select 7 minutes right here. You can see the available positions which you actually do want right here. You could increase that to any number depending on how many people you want to go on to completing your offers right here, and also depending on the fund you actually do have. So right now, guys, you can actually do put in the amount each worker will earn. You could leave it as this right here, or you could just simply go on to increasing that, because you're going to be earning $2.22. In order for you to actually get better conversion to that offer, you actually need to make, or to be more generous, maybe I'm just going to give them about $1 right there right now, and I will be making about $1.22 for every successful completion of this offer as a profit. And right now, once this has been done, you can see the estimated cost of the job. You want to put in a speed, put in a title which you want to use for your offer, and right here you want to put in the steps which you want them to go on to completing your offers. Also go on to inserting in the instructions which you want to just simply utilize right here. Once you're done, you can actually select the workers that are required to upload file as proof, and you want to just simply insert the file there to upload as proof as one of the instructions right there. Once you are done, you could actually go on to checking this box right now and actually go on to submitting this right here on this platform. As you can see right here, if you do agree to the admin rate right now, you could click on create campaign and go to next, and you can actually go on to the next phase right here. So basically, guys, just simply take out your time, fill out this particular form right here, and go on to the next phase, which is to review your ad which you intend on promoting, and actually go on to promoting that and make some cool cash online using this simple strategy. So this is an amazing one which you want to stick on and be consistent with this strategy to get much more amount of money online. If the video was helpful, if it added some value, why not just simply smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. So guys, that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.